Welcome guys, today I am with Jabra 510 and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off this device. So as you can see, here we have the icon. That's the icon of power, and we have to click and hold it to power on. When this all lights up, and then when only this one is lightning, it means that the device is turned on. And to power off, just click and hold, and the lights up will go like that to the upper section, and it means that right now the device is power off. As you can see, indicators are not lights up, so it means the device is power off. Only this one is on the red because it's plugged to the charger. It's charging. As you can see, that's how we can power on and power off this Jabra Speak 510. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.